Hello guys, welcome to TechnoSalad. Apple's affordable iPhone model has been discussed for a long time. Now the latest news or the rumors is that Apple is planning to launch the new iPhone on 15th April 2020. Yes, you heard that right. It's 15th April. Apple's popular 4 inches iPhone SE, which is launched in 2016, was discontinued in September 2018. And fans of the small, affordable handsets have been asking for the replacement ever since. Right now, the smallest option is the iPhone 8, which has 4.7-inch display with the price tag of around $450. Talking about the release date, the new iPhone was originally planned to launch in the March 2020, alongside the iOS 13.4 updates. Macworld website has published a post with a tweet from the analyst John Prosser. According to the tweet, the new iPhone is expected to launch on 15 April 2020 and shipments can start from 22nd April. Also, it is stated that due to the pandemic outbreak, the launch can be postponed. What will be the model name of the new iPhone? There are various rumors getting spread about the model name, but the top 3 possibilities are iPhone SE 2, iPhone SE Pro and iPhone 9. Here are the rumors about the new iPhone SE 2 details and specifications. The new so-called iPhone SE 2 is expected to launch on 15 April 2020. The new iPhone SE 2 is expected to look more like the iPhone 8 than the iPhone SE. The iPhone SE had the 4-inch screen, the iPhone 8 had the 4.7-inch screen. According to the reports and the rumors, the new iPhone SE 2 could have 4.7-inch screen as well. The iPhone SE had the A9 chip, which was also used in the iPhone 6s. We can expect the new iPhone SE 2 to have A13 Bionic processor chip. There could be 3GB RAM in the new iPhone SE 2. 64GB base storage with the option for the 128GB and 256GB. The new iPhone SE 2 could be available in the 3 colors: white, black and red. The new handset is likely to keep the many of the features of the current iPhone SE, such as 12-megapixel camera. The current SE offers 12-megapixel with the f2.2 aperture. The iPhone 8 has the f1.8 aperture. iPhone SE had 1640 mAh battery. The new iPhone SE 2 is expected to have slightly bigger battery of 1700 mAh. The expected price for the base variant is $399. These details are not officially released by Apple. We have gathered these details from the various websites, reports and rumors that are spreading across the internet. We will get the clear idea only when Apple officially releases the new iPhone SE 2. So these were some of the news about the new iPhone SE 2. Hope you liked the video. If you find the video informative, then please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe to TechnoSalad.